Guys, welcome back to Gemma and Jaden Vlogs, and today we're going to be making slime, and it's like colored slime pretty much. So yeah, my sister's playing with her friend right now, so she might want to be in the video, she might not, so yeah. This is just going to be, I don't know how good this video might be, but make sure you before we start this video, smash that like button and please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to at least reach 50 subscribers by the end of summer, so that'd be great if we can hit that. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Peterson Auto Group, Daniel's wake up, huh? What are you making?
Something.
The tobacco home.
Yeah.
Your brother's birthday yesterday, I guess.
It is, but I'm making a video, so shh. So what you're going to need is baking soda. I just got this from the store. And then any coloring, I'm using this. And then if you want glitter. And then of course glue. I got this from Michael's. And then I'm using contact solution, but you guys can use whatever. And then a bowl. And I have to get that. Sorry, Sasha. Okay, I got that. So the first thing you're going to add is your glue. Just add as much as you want, as much as slime you're going to make. I think that's good. Then you're going to add your baking soda.
What? You have Robert's phone number.
I'm just adding a little bit at a time. And then you need another spoon. And I have to clean mine off. And then you mix your baking soda and your glue together. Okay, then you add your color, which I'm going to make a metallic color. It's going to be this color. It's pretty. So then you add your color. Then you mix that together. And then I'm probably going to add a little bit more glue because mine's like a liquid. Then you add your contact solution. And there's different activators. There's like borax and different things, but I'm using this because it works the best for me. And then just mix it together good. Then it'll get hard to stir, and then mine's all kind of forming. And then it's formed, and it might be sticky, but then you can just squish it together. And you can, I'm just going to get all of the glue out of the bowl. And there's your slime. And that's an easy way to make your slime. And yeah. Okay. And there's your slime. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and bye. Peace out.